it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking to enhance your boxing technique, or you're looking for an amazing workout that targets your chest, your core, your arms, and gives you cardio, you have got to check out these boxing speed bags from Boxer Point. I have a couple different bags from Boxer Point, and I just love how much fun they are to use, and I enjoy punching these so much. My husband also likes to use them for a good workout, and in between his weight training or CrossFit routines, he will come and punch the bag in between sets. This is really nice because it comes with everything that you need to install it and inflate the bag. Now, because we already had a setup in our gym for this particular bag, we just attached it to an existing nail. It comes with bungee cords that are adjustable, so you can make it according to your height or your experience level. It can be tight or loose, and I love that because it allows you to really bob and weave around the ball or just kind of be more stationary. Just whatever it is that you want to do, this ball can accommodate. And I really like the shape on this because I found that I was able to get some different movements in. Now, I'm not a professional by any means, but I was kind of trying to work on some of my uppercuts, and I found that this shape really accommodated that well. I love absolutely every product that I've gotten from Boxer Point. This tear-shaped, double-ended punching bag is no exception. I just love it, and that's my point of view.